Good morning. We're going to make green tea muffins. I'm going to warn you ahead, when it comes to me mixing, Maggie Mae's going to bark. I'm going to try to torque it down on my end. I don't know if I can. She absolutely hates the mixer. So I'm going to pan you down. We're going to use butter, coconut palm sugar, ground almonds. I'm using tapioca flour, or you can use coconut flour. I just happen to have tapioca flour. You need green tea bags, 2, baking soda, and 3 beaten eggs. Ray wrote this out real big for me. And I'm gonna have everything down in the description box below. Maggie's already getting ready, she knows. So here we go. Please bear with Maggie. Here we go. Think we can see it all in there. She gets too bad, I'll have to crate her. We got the oven preheating at 315. Okay, you want to line your muffin tins, which I've already lined my muffin tins. You want to cream your butter, and that's what we're going to do. Going to put it in here, and we're going to cream the butter. Just like this. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar. Whoops. And here's the sugar right here. Just like that. Butter should have been softened a little bit more. Maggie, you don't want everybody to see how you act, Mag? Jeez, there's my girl, Mag. Okay. Excuse me, I'm going to put her in a crate. And I apologize. Let's see what else we can do here. Okay, next we want to add the eggs, the almond, and the flour. Okay, these are farm fresh eggs right here. Going in, the eggs, the almonds. You want to ground up your almonds, and that is 5 ounces of almonds and flour. And I used tapioca flour because I did not have coconut. Okay, we're just gonna beat it in just a little bit. Whoops. Just mix it in just a little bit. Geez, guess I should have put her in the crate earlier, huh? Listen how quiet she is now. Then we got the baking soda, and we have the 2 green tea bags. What you want to do, you want to rip the bags open, and it says just put the green tea bag in, just like this, just like that. I'm just going to get a spoon out. I believe we need to mix it, and we're just going to stir it in just like this. Oh, look at all this. This is going to be nice and healthy for us. It says it makes 10, but I think it all depends on how big you make your muffins. That's what I've always come up with. There you go, just like that. I don't think I'm going to be doing Wellness Wednesdays for a while until I start feeling better. So I've decided I'm coming back to cook. Cook or bake, whatever comes first. Because I've got to heal my body more. Guess we could pour. Or my friend Charlene bought this for me. And you just go like that and it dumps it in. And it gives you an even amount every time. Just like that. So what I'm going to do is fill these up. You want to set your oven to 350. And I believe I'm going to have to look. Oh, you set your oven 350 for 15 to 20 minutes because each oven is different. No two ovens are the same. And when they're all baked, I will take them out, plate them up, and then I will bring you back. So, we'll be back. Okay, folks, here they are, green tea muffins. Didn't they come out really good? Look at these. I am really happy with them. They look so, so good. So now I'm gonna try one. And I'm gonna put the recipe down below. So let me set this down. And here they are. And a good way to test them is take a toothpick, whatever you got, take it like this, stick it in your muffin. And if it comes out clean, it's done. Maggie's over here on the side watching me, thinking she's gonna get any little crumbs. Okay, smells really good. And again, these are green tea muffins, and they did make 10. Really good. Taste the almonds. I was hoping to be a little more green. Still very good. Very healthy. Very good. The only thing I think I would change on this recipe, because you know me, I'm always changing things up. I think I'd cut back on the butter just a little bit. I'm not a real big butter person. I mean, I like butter. Who doesn't like butter? But that would be the only thing I can change. You definitely can taste the almonds, which I love almonds. I would give this a strong A, because these really did come out good. I was hoping them to be a little more green, but that's okay. They taste good. They taste wonderful. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Come visit me again. I'll be on the road to doing more baking and cooking. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. I do have a couple of reviews. I got my Taste of Home box yesterday. And I've got a review on a mildew cleaner and a review on a purple cleaner. I've got to get those done. So I'm going to fit those in somewhere. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. And we will see you tomorrow. Stay healthy. And I'm going to take a poll question. I think on one of my videos, either the beginning or the end. I'm not sure one day this week. And I'd like everybody to help me out on this poll. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.